Aksyon Balita!
One day, I received a communication saying that Dumaguete is now the safest city in the country today. So let's go move on. And that dream did not stop. I said there should be a system that Negros Oriental eventually will be the safest province in the whole of the entire country. And we are going there. Definitely we are going there. I may preempt maybe the governor, but I have talked to him, I have requested him to give mobility to all our police stations in the province of Negros Oriental. And definitely, in a matter of time, all municipalities will be given 2 motorcycles, city, 3 motorcycles. So, okay na mobility ninyo na. And I talked to Mayor Jack Raymond and Mayor Luigi. I told him, paspasin niyo ng inyong paghatag sa kinan sa inyong mga pulis. Okay ra? O, niya po rin. O, karinya, sige dyan eh. Butsok. O, paspasin paghatag. Aron, safer Negros Oriental, more tourists to come, more progress, and we are going to really make sure that we can be very, very, very proud that one day, because of our dreams together, working as one, we will be the safest cities. We have 6 cities, we will all be very safe. Walay 1, 2, 3, safest cities na, and eventually the #1 safest province in the whole entire country today. We have to work together, hand in hand. The governor, vice governor cannot do it alone. Neither the police. Bisa kung saan ang taon nila. Here in Dumaguete City, I have 144 policemen. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, only 144. I have no less than, during the day, 300,000 constituents. And that 144, they divide that into 3 shifts. Pilay mabilin. Uban na sa opisina, pilay mabilin sa field. Lisod ka. That's why the auxiliary is very important. No? The force multipliers are very important because we will have to make sure that, especially at night, Friday night, Dris Dumaguete, bida de kanap lubog. No? But anyway, we were able to control it. I told them, gusto mo mahubog, buwa mo sa Dumaguete. At tumas mga dugol, mga municipality, sila'y pasulbas problema, ayaw ko, kay human ako. Diyak, pagbatukon ako ni Muhammad. Well, anyway, what I'm trying to say is, together we stand, no? Divided we fail. So we have to be together in this. One of my dreams, and it came true today, because I've been telling my chief of police every time I call him, isn't it? No, call him. He comes to my office after 6 or 7 minutes, and I tell him, you failed. And he tells me why. You should be here in 5 minutes. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Correct? You should be here with me in 5 minutes. If you can be with me in 5 minutes, you can also be in the crime scene in 5 minutes. Tell me what you need, and I will be there to provide you. For as long as 5 minutes you are in the scene, o na ay mga itabo kay dasmag or whatever. Basta, that is my order to my chief of police. And the best of all is this. When I was talking with our brand new regional director, I asked him, do not transfer kunag. He tells me, for as long as Dumaguete is the safest city, he will not be transferred. The day, di na safe na Dumaguete, potbol na ka doon, makumay mo. Okay? Mura na. So kamo mga police paminaw. No? Because we have to do it this way. There should be some pressure in us for us to excel. Because magluya-luya rata, complacent rata, we will not be able to achieve our dreams. And our dreams is not only my dream, but all of us have the common dream. When we go around Dumaguete and the province of Negros Oriental, we will say, truly, this province is free. Free of drugs, free of criminality, and free of everything. So we can very, very peaceful. Especially now. Dumaguete, we're now very proud that Dumaguete has been judged again as by UNESCO, no less than UNESCO, the city of literature. Meaning to say, mga tao din bright, the city, mga writers. So, people all over the world, because that is UNESCO, will be coming. They want to know about Dumaguete. Ay, kung inapabilin sila sa Dumaguete. Mag-unsam sila dire. So they go around the province. So, and if you feel safe, then that is last factor to all of us. Ato ninyo. Di ba? Mayor Luigi, asa sa tawag yun, dolphin watching or whatever. So, that is the best thing because we are not only known in the Philippines but worldwide because of UNESCO. That is the greatest gift that's been given to us, to the city of Dumaguete, but not only to the city of Dumaguete, but also to the province of Negros Oriental. Well, again, we call dial 911. I hope it will work. Does it work? I hope it will work. We dial 111 and in 5 minutes, the police is in front of us. Ato ng sulayan. Thank you very much. Huwag maayong buntag na.
Aksyon! Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.